One key to controlling COVID is a quick test to see who's got it.
This is the cough sound of a non-positive COVID individual.
And that's where this coughing comes in.
This is the sound of someone who has got COVID.
Scientists in Essex have analysed more than 8,000 coughs from hospitals around the world and designed a computer program that can tell who's got the virus.
It's very difficult, almost impossible for human hearing to be able to distinguish when someone is a negative or positive. What this computer science and machine learning and AI can do is to scan the whole frequency spectrum of the audio and pick up many differences that combined can allow us to differentiate between a cough of someone that has COVID and someone who has not COVID.
You can imagine this is the way it might work. So you would have a QR code outside perhaps an office building or a pub. You scan it and the website comes up, and then you open the website and cough into it, and it tells you potentially if you've got COVID. If it comes up as a positive, then you would go off and have, say, a PCR test to make sure. Doctors in Mexico are already using the app in remote places where they can't get swab tests. Javier found that in controlled conditions, it could be 90% accurate.
This is a boy who did not have COVID.
Today it's COVID, but you could potentially use apps to spot all kinds of problems.
I think this is a first step that shows that in the future we could use our mobile phones to many more things, to just communicate and just call our families and friends. We could use it for detecting different conditions and health states.
Richard Westcott, BBC News, Essex.